welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I am going to be showing you my everyday makeup routine. This face of makeup is the face of makeup I do to work. It's very simple, very easy, very straight to the point. I can do this look in legit 15 to 20 minutes. You know, I'm getting ready to go to the office. I'm getting ready to transform from a raver on the weekends to a corporate baddie on the weekdays. So let's get ready together. Starting off my skincare with hyaluronic acid. This is from the Innisfree. It's so thick and it's so deeply hydrating. My skin drinks this up and it loves it so much. I like to press this into my skin so that it really sinks in. I currently use two serums in my routine. This is the La Roche-Posay Mela B serum. It's a dark spot correcting serum. And then this is the Face Facts Lactic Acid AHA serum. It contains lactic acid, which helps to gently exfoliate the skin. Somebody asked me how I felt about the lactic acid serum. I have a video that is coming up, which is going to be a proper in-depth review of all the Face Facts products that I got in my last video. So I am going to be coming to share everything and all my thoughts and feelings about all the products. Somebody might be like, this is overkill, this is like a lot, but like my skin recently has been going haywire. That's the best way I can say it. Like, I got so much texture, so many bumps. This period of time is me using these two serums back to back to really help to combat and really help to fix whatever is going on with my skin. Part of me already knows what caused it. I was on my period and my hormones were just going haywire. Like, my skin was not in the best place. To know Diola is to know that this is my holy grail moisturizer. This is the simple hydrating light moisturizer. A pea amount, just like a tiny little drop, is enough. Sunscreen, because even though I'm going to be sitting in an office, I'm going to still go outside. This is the Missmetic Sun Shield SPF 50. This is my body sunscreen, but I'm using it on my face because I am out of my face sunscreen. I'm going to have an empties video where I'm going to be talking about like all the stuff that has finished. In fact, this one has also finished as well. This is the sunscreen that I wear to the pool whenever I'm going swimming, and I love it so much. Never forget your neck. Do not forget your neck. I'm gonna wait about 15 minutes to allow everything to sink into my skin. Then we're gonna get started with my makeup. As I said in the intro, I'm gonna be showing you my everyday work makeup. For my brows, I'm simply just gonna, brush them, see what we have going on. For every day, we're just going for our natural shape. I'm not trying to do a really high arch. I'm not trying to do a straight line. I'm legit following the natural shape of my brow. I'm not trying to do anything fun. I actually want to go to the beach. I haven't been to the beach in a while. I think I'm gonna go to the beach in December. I'm manifesting it now. I am going to have a beach day in December. I haven't been to the beach. I haven't been to the pool. I legit haven't been to a body of water in so long, and it is hurting my soul. I haven't communed. I haven't gone to my people in so long. I need to fix it. I need to fucking fix it, man. So I'm manifesting a pool day in December. I'm manifesting the littest of littest pool days. Actually, not just December. I am manifesting a pool day sometime soon. Sometime soon. This one has a more rounder arch than this one. This one has a more straight arch. Because I'm going to use concealer to clean it up and give it a more of a rounder arch. And I'm also going to fill in a little more. This Maybelline concealer, I love the formulation. The packaging? I don't know who invented this packaging, but I want to have words with them. So we're just cleaning up the brows so we have a much rounder arch, just to even it out, because honestly this one doesn't need it. It's just clean basically. Then taking my brush and just blending. It's so wild that back in the day, doing my brows take me at least 20 minutes, but now I can comfortably do my brows on camera without like breaking a sweat. Time is so kind, because time shows us that the things that we thought we couldn't do, we can actually do it. I used to struggle so much with my brows, and now years later and practice and doing my makeup and everything, now doing my brows is so easy for me. I want to show you what I think is my best purchase in a long time. This simple palette right here. I love mini palettes like this that just have everything in one. Like, I can do so many looks from this palette. This is the ColourPop Sagittarius In Flight palette. What they basically did is that for each zodiac sign, they made a little mini palette. It matches the Sagittarius theme of like fire sign. But what I really love about this palette is that it is so versatile. I can just use this all over my lid and that's it. I can combine these two to form transition shade and then use this on the lid and that's it. This is like a really shimmery reddish brown. So beautiful on the lid. This is my cheat code. This is my eyeshadow cheat code because everything I want to do for this look is from this palette. I've spoken so much about how much I love this palette and it's because I really like it. I'm gonna take this shade right here, this lighter shade. You can see that I've already hit pan on it and the name of the shade is Free to Roam, which is very true to Sagittarius. We love to roam, we love our freedom. And then I'm gonna put that up here, right under my brow. And this is gonna form a really nice base shade. So I'm using this fluffy brush to apply the shade here. So we have a really nice base. I'm going to take a pointed but fluffy brush and I'm going to be applying this shade right here, this darker shade right here, and the shade is called Archer. I'm gonna start in the corner and move in. So deposit, move, deposit, move. And then I'm going to go back to the brush but not applying any more product. Blend out those harsh lines where first shade and the second darker shade meet. You can actually just do this. This is it. Put on a really nice black wing and be done with it. That is why I said I really like this palette, that just the two matte shades like this are fine, but I'm a little extra. I'm going to apply a little bit of the gold, which is called Magnetic. I'm gonna take a little bit of it, not too much, and apply it on the center of the lid. Applying a really light base. Just tap, tap, tap on my lid. And I'm not very concerned about the placement. I'm not concerned about, oh, it needs to be here. I kind of want it to look like a little scattered. I want it to be a light eyeshadow look. We're going to work. I'm being very demure, very cutesy. You know, I'm not showing up with a green cut crease.
See how I come to work? Very demure. I don't wear too much makeup. I don't come showing up with wing liner and lashes.
Such a simple eyeshadow look, yeah, it's so beautiful. I'm going to do a little bit of eyeliner. This is the Sleek Pro liquid liner. To be honest, not my fave. Only using it because it gets the job done, but I'm like, eh. I don't even know if I should call it a wing. It's like the tiniest of tiniest wings. That's what I'm doing. I'm gonna very close to the lashes. Is there a wing? Is that even a wing? Can you even see a wing there? Lol. This is the Newman Beauty Mattifying Primer. I'm gonna be applying this all over my face. It's your standard silicone primer. Nothing special, nothing fancy about it. Today's foundation is the Maybelline Fit Me. I am using the shade 356 Warm Coconut. I'm very glad that this foundation is back in Nigeria. Or it seems like the brand is back in Nigeria. If anyone out there from Maybelline is watching, Maybelline, please, I beg you with everything in my soul, I need you to bring this powder back to Nigeria. The Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder is the best powder, the best finishing powder I have actually tried in my entire life. I love that powder. I was so sad when I stopped seeing it around, like so sad. I think I've told the story of how I had to get my friend who was visiting from America to bring me the powder because I needed it in my life, man. I needed it so much and I love it so much. They at some points only had like really light shades, and that is why I actually have this one, because I had to buy the one that was available. My friend brought me the darker shade, which is my actual shade. I love this powder. I recommend this powder to everyone. It is so nice. I don't know how much I can talk about this powder, man, without sounding like I was sponsored by Maybelline, but truly I do feel like that's one of the best powders I've tried in my entire life. And I also love the Maybelline brand. The Maybelline brand has always come through for me and I've always loved the products. I've actually worked with Maybelline in the past for Fashion Week. Or the people that were representing them in Nigeria at the time didn't like the fact that I spoke badly about Lagos Fashion Week. That was the year Lagos Fashion Week put a couch on the runway. LFDW decided to go to the VIP lounge, bring couches, white couches, put them right on the runway for this designer's guest to sit down. That was the same year I was like sponsored and working with Maybelline, and Maybelline didn't like that. They didn't like the fact that, you know, I spoke out about it because Maybelline was sponsoring Fashion Week. I was being sponsored by Maybelline. It wasn't a good look. It wasn't a good look, so they didn't like that. But honestly, I couldn't I couldn't not speak. To me, it felt like an insult to me. It just felt like disrespectful to everyone. You are going to compromise and endanger the models by putting a couch on the runway. Like, I just had to say something. Now we're going to move on into this. This is the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser Multi-Use Concealer. I love this concealer. I do not like the packaging. This actually is supposed to have like a little sponge, but the sponge fell apart. I don't know whether I got a bad batch, or I don't know whether like it's so old, it's been maybe in a warehouse. It legit instantly disintegrated as soon as I started twisting it up. Yes, that is why I do not like it. But I love the formula. The formula is so nice and creamy. I don't know what they put in this thing. Whenever I use it under my under eyes don't crease as much. I have deep under eyes. I have some lines there. So no matter what I do whenever I wear makeup, I always have like lines under my eye. But this product doesn't make the lines so obvious. But yeah, I don't like the packaging. I do not like this sponge. It fell apart, so I never really got a proper experience. I might try it again. I might just buy another one because this one is almost done. So I am tempted to give it another go because I do again love the formulation. Love it, love it. I just hope I have a better experience because this one, again, fell apart. This is where my babies come in. So I'm going to use a lighter powder under my eyes. And I'm going to use this powder in my shade to just overall give me a finished look. I don't use a lot of powder under my eyes, so I know this product is going to last me forever. There's actually hardly any powder on this brush, to be honest. The shade I use under my eyes is 30. The shade I use on my face is 40. Every time I use this powder, I am so scared of finishing it. It's not like I can finish it all in one go, but like, I'm so scared of it finishing that I use it so lightly. Once we reach this stage of makeup, we're like almost done, to be honest, because what is left is just highlight and blush, and that's it. But this look that I'm doing, legit I can do it between 15 to 20 minutes. So what I just did is I applied blush. This is the MAC powder blush in a little lusty. It's a really nice reddish pinkish blush. I think it ties really well with the reddish brown that we used in the eyes. Now we are going to highlight. This is the Yanga Beauty Candid Glow highlighter. I said this when I got the product back in 2017, 2016, that I know I was going to use this product for a pretty long time, and it is very true. I am doing it on my cheekbones, just a little like that. I'm going to take this bigger version of the smaller brush and I'm going to use it to blend everything. We're almost done, guys. Like, look at the face. So beautiful. So beautiful. I'm on tonight, you know my hips don't lie. I want you to take control right now. Let me hear you say, go Ira, go Ira, go Ira, go. It's so wild that I'm a huge fan of Ira and I now work with Ira. If I knew this was gonna be my life, actually, if I knew this was going to be my life, I don't know if it would make me behave any differently or make me do anything differently, because I honestly believe that everything I have done in my life has led me to where I am right now. I think the only thing that would have done for me is just like, really? Okay, like I have something I'm looking forward to. But apart from that, I don't know if I'll do anything differently, to be honest. Yeah, okay, let me finish up so I can go to the job that I'm so excited for. I'm gonna take a gold eyeliner pencil and I'm going to line my waterline. I want to have a really open and a really bright eye. That's the best way I can explain it. Kind of like applying eyeshadow to your inner eye. So this gold here gels with the gold on the lid. Now, before I put on my mascara, I like to put on my setting spray because I worry about having mascara and setting spray. I just feel like it makes my face a little too wet. So I'm going to be using the Beauty by AD Body Fix setting spray. You know, as this setting spray setting on my face, I think I'm gonna be packing up my bag. I'm actually going to the office, guys. I'm not just filming this video for, oh, an office look. No, this is me actually going to the office. The Maybelline mascaras always have long names, but I love them. I love the mascaras. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. Thank you to the University of YouTube for teaching me that when I'm doing my lashes, I should put my mirror here so it makes it easier. For top lashes, you're like this. For your bottom lashes, you're like this. Do the opposite. I love it. Lips are going to be red, but no gloss. So we're gonna first fill in the lip with the Zaron lip liner in the shade Red Vines. Lipstick. This is the Guerlain lipstick, and it is one of my prized possessions because it's such a beautiful package. Like, look at this. When you slide this bit out, you get a little mirror. I can use this to apply my lipstick. I can't imagine pulling this out on a date. I feel like I would just impress. Like, the guy who sees this would just be like, whoa, that's so classy. A video about this lipstick actually went viral on Twitter recently, I think, where they were talking about why this lipstick is packaged the way it is. And the guy was saying that having the mirror is great for reapplying, but also you're able to kind of look at people behind you.
The reason why we did this mirror is when you're at a restaurant, you don't want to turn around, but you saw somebody really handsome behind you. You use that mirror and you can check them out without them noticing it. So actually it happens to be something that's extremely useful in certain situations, which go way beyond putting lipstick on.
And I never really realized, because I've never used it for that reason. I just mostly use it to like wear lipstick. So it can look like, but I can actually like, you know. That's so crazy. That's so crazy. Makeup is done. I'm gonna change and I'm gonna show you my outfit and then we're gonna head off to work. Here I am, all dressed up and ready to go to work. I'm wearing Fashion Nova pants. They're flared pants. They're very nice and soft. I love wearing them. And also a Fashion Nova corset kind of tank. And then on top of it, I'm just wearing an oversized shirt. So it kind of looks like a blazer, but it's not a blazer. It's just an oversized button-down shirt. And this is my hair. I got my hair done. If you haven't noticed it from like my Instagram or my shorts or like from the previous clip, these are goddess locks. As you can see, they have the curly bit attached to it, but I got them really short because I didn't want anything long, anything that would take a lot of time, detangling, all that stuff. This is my full look. The shoes are from Shopify. The oversized shirt, I think I stole it from a man. I don't remember, honestly. And this is my entire look. I feel like I look like a police officer on a CNBC show. Like, I look like I'm about to interrogate a villain, but I like it. This is my jewelry, you know, just studs, this really nice gold, what would I call this? Cup or sort of thing. My necklace, this P necklace that I really like. I got this 2 bracelets on my arm. One are my birthstones and the other one is just a really nice interlocking bracelet. Thank you everybody for watching this video. I truly appreciate it, and if you enjoyed it, please let me know by leaving me a comment below. Please do not forget to wash your face to the subscribe button so you can join my family here on YouTube. Also, do not forget to powder your face to the like button so that you can tell YouTube that this video is awesome and to recommend it to other people as well. Do not forget to pick out a very demure outfit to the notification bell so that you will always get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Do not forget to be awesome, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!